Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. I'm playing and having fun with a song from Ozuna Beéle. It's called Templo or Temple, and this will be a quick one. We have 4 chords that rolls in the same way. I'm going to teach you how to play that melody, simple, and also strumming pattern with the chords. Now, let's look into the setup. I use a capo on 6. I think that is the best scenario for us. With that, we have the famous chords F, G, A minor, and E minor. Let's take a look at the chords. We're going to start with F first, which is a bar chord. So you place the index finger on the 1st fret and push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. Next comes G, and that is 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Let's move on to A minor, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the E minor. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so let's go into the chord and the strumming. So I want to show you the first strumming parts, which is F to G, because we have a 2-part strumming here. Part 1 for F and part 2 for G. And we're going to apply the same principle for next 2 chords, A minor to E minor. Alright, so let's take a look at F. You're going to play down, up, clap, down, like this. So 1 down, short pause, and then up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. And then you switch chord to G and play simply down, clap. And that's it. So together, down, up, down, clap. Sorry, down, up, clap, down, down, clap. That is the first 2 chords. And then apply the same principles on A minor and E minor. So A minor is played part 1, down, up, clap, down, and then E minor, down, clap. So together with this flowing around and around, it goes like this. Freak around a little bit with that. That is fully okay, and that is how you handle the chords and strumming. Now you can also play the melody, and when you do that, you're gonna sound something like this. Okay, so you're gonna play bass notes for each and every chord. So for F, it's the 1st fret E string, and then the note, 2nd fret G. Then I hit the clap there, and then a note again of 2nd G. So that is the F part. Then you play the G and clap. That is the 3rd fret E string, the bass, and then open B string and clap. Then you go into A minor. You're gonna play open A now in the bass, then 1st B, clap, and 1st B. And finally on E minor you're gonna play, which is the open E string in the bass, the open G, and clap. And that is 1 round of melody. So slowly like this. Any tempo. So you can play around with that, melody, strumming, doesn't matter. These 4 chords, they just roll. So give it a shot. Templo, tempo. See you soon, guys. Stay tuned.